Okay, real talk. You've been using money your whole life, every single day, buying things, paying bills, checking your balance. But honestly, do you actually know what money is? Because I didn't. For a long time, I had no idea. And when I finally figured it out, I felt cheated, like someone had been keeping a secret from me my whole life. That's what this video is about. So let me just say it straight. That 50-pound note in your wallet right now, that $100 bill, by itself, it's worth nothing. I'm serious. It's just paper. The only reason it buys you anything is because you believe it will, and your neighbor believes it will, and the guy at the shop believes it will. And here's the scary part. The moment that trust breaks, the money collapses. It's not theory. It happened in Zimbabwe. It happened in Venezuela. Regular people woke up one morning and their life savings couldn't buy a loaf of bread. So what is money, really? It's a story, the most powerful story ever told. Now here's the part that actually affects you. Right now, today, while you're watching this, your money is losing value. Not dramatically, not all at once, just quietly. Every single day. It's called inflation, and it's not some random accident. When governments need money, they print more of it. More money floating around means each note you hold is worth a little bit less than before. Think about it this way. Your rent didn't suddenly get more expensive, your money just got weaker. And the worst part, nobody sat you down and explained this. But here's what I want you to understand. Wealthy people, they know all of this. They figured it out early, and so they made one decision that changed everything for them. They stopped holding cash. They understood cash sitting in a bank account is slowly dying every single year. So instead, they convert their money into property, into businesses, into things that grow over time. While they sleep, while they travel, while they live their life, their money is working. And I know what you're thinking. That's easy when you're already rich, but that's exactly the lie that keeps most people stuck. Because the truth is, this isn't about how much you have, it's about understanding how the game works. And nobody, not your school, not your parents, ever taught you the rules. That's exactly why I started this channel. Not to sell you anything, not to give you some get-rich-quick formula, just to have the honest conversations about money that nobody had with us growing up. Every week, one real concept, broken down simply. Next video, I'm going to show you how to actually start converting your money into assets, even if you're starting with almost nothing. It's more doable than you think. So if this felt useful, subscribe, because that next video, you don't want to miss it. The game has always been running. You just never knew the rules. Now you do.